Okay, I'm making this video to show you how to make your own sidewinder mag for an airsoft AK-47. First you take your stock mag, or if you have a 600 round high cap that doesn't have the sidewinder hole, you would knock the pin out of the top of the mag. It usually just pushes right out. You pull it out, set it to the side, and the hole inside just comes out, just like that. And I've seen on every mag I've ever seen has the hole already for it, for a key. I got this key. It came with my AK I bought out of the boneyard. I bought a parts gun off Kapowie. Fits right in the hole, see? So all I figured out is if you sit your mag side by side and you see where this tab lines up, and then you mark it with a pick or something, you go out and you drill yourself a hole. That's all you gotta do. It takes 3 minutes. It's really that easy. Told my buddy Eric about it last night. He went out and did it. He now has a sidewinder mag. That's all there is to it. Look at that. Mine's already back together. It's done. You can also make a mag winder key out of just a Allen wrench, because it's your regular Allen shape piece. So that's it.